Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the fairy tales, I'm the poster. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You tugging more and with my heart. Just think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. And we know you can tell me. How can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. You think time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and with my heart. Just think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Intro.
Do you think we should put pondo inside here, then spaghetti should be up there?
Hey.
Inside this space.
One spaghetti.
The spaghetti should be up there. The spaghetti is big and big.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. No sense, this is urgent. Trying some similar change to me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good. Living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
I don't want anything else can punch up. Spices. Back container. I'm going to remove some and keep the rest. So yeah, Jerry. I'm still going to buy storage. Last. That was I don't even forget to give you feedback. That other one that you sent.
You don't have that one that you got back. You have not said at home.
I know they keep products for us back. 15.
Now wow. So it's one tripod that you have in this life.
No, this time I want to buy the bigger one.
Like you don't have tripod. I mean, borrowing it too.
You dug it out. Would you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight.
Honestly speaking, making hair is not an easy task at all, but then again, it's something I really enjoy doing. Like it's a passion. I didn't even learn it. I just grew to love doing it. My mom usually made hair when we were growing up. I guess I can say I picked that up from her, and I just love making hair. Like I don't do basic hairstyles. When I was growing, like when I make hair for people, I don't do basic hairstyles at all. I'm always creative with it. So I think the major thing is I love anything that makes me creative, which was why I fell in love with makeup too. I love creativity. I love to, invent styles. I love to invent designs. Like I just don't like to do basic things. So I guess that's why I love making hair, and I plan on having a very big salon or studio rather that would have, like, it would be an all-in-one stop where you can get everything done, and it's still a plan. It's still something I really love to do. I just pray that God provides me with the funds that I need. It has been my dream for years, right from when I was growing up, and I just pray to God that I'm able to achieve that dream. I would never stop making hair. I just need to get customers or clients that would be willing to pay for it, just like makeup too. This hair took 7 hours to make because of the length, and I was the only one that made it. There was no assistant, so it's a very long hair, and we used 2.5 attachments, 2 expression attachments and 1 half flush attachment, so it's very long. But then I love the outcome. It's so beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And how much would you pay for this hair? How much do you think it's worth? Let me know in the comments.